Hi all, welcome and thank you for joining me today. As educators, we are all familiar with PowerPoint and have probably created some dynamic presentations that have included pictures, graphs, sound, video, and more. Typically, when we go through a PowerPoint in class, we're speaking along with it. We're presenting the information in our own way and at our own speed. Now we have the option of sharing PowerPoints with our students in so many ways, including putting them inside of a class notebook. This is great, but when we do this, there might be one thing that always feels like it's missing. And that missing piece is you, their teachers, the students hearing your voice and giving instructions. Using the Office 365 PowerPoint version, along with our touchscreen devices, provides us opportunities to create wonderful video resources. This tool can help you use presentations that you already have to build a library of instructional videos for your students. You can also think about creating some flipped classroom content, or better yet, have students create their own presentations to assess their learning. You have the ability of recording annotations and inking, along with audio and video, directly onto slides that you've already created. So start thinking about the possibilities. If you're curious and testing the waters to flipping your class, this is a great tool. Making short videos and having them available at all times allows students access to the materials as they need. Students can work at their own speed and then spend time reflecting on what they learned. Also, think about this tool when you want students to create presentations. Maybe you want them to show a way to demonstrate a concept, or maybe you want them to come up with a presentation that shows a review of a topic, or even work collaboratively to present research. Have them try this tool out. In the following slides, you will see how narrations and inking can be used to demonstrate solving a math problem. This is only one example of how to utilize this feature. Say hello to Punky. We're going to use her as a way to solve a word problem with a proportion. So Punky escaped from the apartment a total of 9 times over 3 months. If she continues at the same pace, how many times will she break free after 5 months? So the first thing that we need to do is organize our thoughts. So Punky escaped from the apartment a total of 9 times in 3 months. So how many times did she escape? And over what period of time did she escape? So now that we've organized our thoughts, it's time to put this into practice. So we know that the number of times that Punky escaped was 9, and the period of time in which she escaped was over 3 months. If we need to apply that information, knowing that at the same pace, how many times will she break free after 5 months? So we're looking for how many times she escaped over the amount of months. Here's where we'll do our cross multiplying. So we know, after we figure all of our math out, pardon my math, that Punky is going to escape 15 times in the next 5 months. I better get a better system down for her. Thanks so much for joining me today, and I hope you've picked up a few tips that you could apply. Let's go explore these features and create your own mini video.